Indonesian education now. Education is a form of factor which can reflect how the country look like. Development or developing. Indonesian is the developing country. We are not a poor country like other countries in the African continent. Based on the fact that education is the main factor of the boy, the great generation education is the strongest way to be survived. As the key the essence of someone's success. On the scope of the state, education is the main instrument in the formation of future generation. The success of a country depends on the quality of human resource in Indonesia. With one of the ideal contained in the preamble of the 1945 Constitution, as like paragraph 4, the intellectual life of the nation as the promise of independence. And the only expression to reach the goal is knowledge. But in the 2010, there are 1,095,000 students quit the study because of the high cost education. They prefer the not study and work to make money to survive their life. This is a bad situation if Indonesia went to be developing country. We must get the better education first. The infrastructure being the second problem the Indonesia have in education sector. Is so petty by seeing the region in the east of Indonesia, their students that cannot go to school comfortably and they get only a broken facility in their school, like roof, floor, and also chair and both the school have. The third is when looking the uniform distributed education in every region in Indonesia. Not all the city and have the equal education region in Indonesia. Not all the city and have the equal education means in the small village. And compared to big cities in the totality different in all the aspects. So this is the homework of government to solve the problem of gas in education sector. In purpose to get better place in the Indonesian especially education.